He initially thought it was a gift from nature. Later, he realized nature wasn't being too generous. He started a farm. He planted about 100 peach trees. Growing peaches wasn't his main business. His main business was raising chickens. Without a place to raise chickens, he planted some peach trees and pear trees. He didn't expect much from the orchard, besides piling up some base fertilizer, like pest control, weeding, fire prevention. He did nothing. Unexpectedly, this year brought a surprise. Every tree was laden with fruit. He thought nature finally gave him a break. Finally, harvest time arrived. Then, May 23rd. And the 24th was a weekend. He had invited over a dozen customers for picking. 2 days of rain fell. He waited a few more days. Until May 31st. A 3-day holiday for Duanwu Festival. He invited 30 more customers. For picking. Then, 3 consecutive days of heavy rain. Non-stop rain. Guys. He still couldn't harvest. Until he checked the weather forecast for the weekend. The 6th. And 7th. The sky was falling. Guys.